I cannot say that I know you well, but you can lie to me with all these books that you sell. I'm not trying to follow you to the end of the world. I'm just trying to leave something behind. Words have come from man and mouth. Oh, but I can't help thinking that I've heard the wrong crowd. When all the water is cold, my job will be too. So I'm trying leave something behind. Oh, money is free, but love costs more than I pray. And the ceiling is hard to reach. Oh, the future ahead is broken and gray. And I'm trying to leave something behind. This whole world is a foreign land. We swallow the moon, but we do not know our own hand. Oh, we're running with the case, but we ain't got the cold. Yet we're trying to leave something behind. My friend, I believe we are at the wrong fight, and I cannot read what I did not write. I've been to his house, but the master is gone. And we're trying to leave something behind.